Thinking about importing to the US? Here is the deal. Successful international trade, it is not just about finding the best deals. It is about understanding the market, making data-driven decisions, and avoiding costly mistakes. The secret? A smart market study. I'm Robinson Vasco, an international logistics expert with more than 10 years of experience helping business connect to global markets. Throughout my career, I've specialized in import, export, and optimizing supply chains to ensure smooth and cost-effective operations. My focus is on conducting smart and strategic market research to identify business opportunities, analyze trends, and find the right products for your company. I'm here to help you make informed decisions that drive success in international trade. Ready to explore your markets? Let's talk. Why market research is key. Whether you are importing electronics from China, textiles from India, or coffee from Colombia, for example, knowing your market is the first step to success. Why? Because without research, you are flying blind. A smart market study helps you first identify the right products to import, second, understand demand in the US market, third, avoid costly mistakes like sourcing a product that doesn't sell. So, how do you make sure your research is effective? Let me break it down for you in 5 simple steps. Find a high demand product. Start with US market trends. Tools like Google Trends, Amazon Bestseller, or even TikTok Trends can show you what's hot right now. Bonus tips: check platforms like Statista or the US Census Bureau for detailed import data by category. This gives you insight into what's already being imported successfully. Step 2. Analyze competition. Next, study your competition. Are there too many players in the market, or is there room for a unique product? Platforms like Jungle Scout for Amazon sellers or even simple Google searches can help you identify your competitors' pricing, branding, and customer reviews. Learn what works and what doesn't. Step number 3. Research regulations and tariffs. This is where many people get stuck. But don't worry, I've got you. Use tools like US ITC's Harmonized Tariff Schedule to check out tariffs for your products. Plus, check the FDA or USDA if your product is food, cosmetics, or pharmaceuticals. Trust me, knowing the rules before you import can save you thousands of dollars in fines and delays. Step number 4. Choose the right supplier. Now, it's time to find a reliable supplier. Use platforms like Alibaba, Global Source, or others to compare manufacturers. Look for suppliers with verified credentials, a track record of export to the US, and the ability to provide samples. Always request a product sample and consider hiring a third-party inspection service to ensure quality control before shipping. Step number 5. Calculate your costs. Finally, do the math. Your landed cost includes more than just the product price, adding shipping, tariffs, customs fees, and even warehousing. Use tools like Freightos to compare shipping costs or consult a freight forwarder for guidance. Knowing your true cost will help you set a competitive price and protect your profit margins. And there you have it. A smart market study is your ticket to smooth, profitable importing. Remember, research first, import second. If this was helpful, hit that like button and share it with anyone looking to start their international trade journey. And hey, what products are you thinking of importing? Let me know in the comments. I would love to hear your ideas. Thanks for watching, and let's make smart importing the new standard. See you soon.